if you're new here, welcome. I'm so excited that you decided to join us and check out the cocktail party. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Thanks for coming to support your girl. Now, before we get on to tonight's cocktail, I want to take care of a couple items of business like subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscription button. And let's face it, if you've watched this channel a couple times, why not subscribe? That way you'll always be in the loop when I'm uploading new videos and you'll never miss one. Also, if you want to be extra in the know, you'll click the notification bell to the side of the subscription button. That way, the second I hit upload, you get a notification so you can be right on top of it and be in the cocktail gang with everybody else. So now that we've got all the housekeeping taken care of, you know what time it is. It's cocktail time. And tonight's cocktail is very special to me. It has a lot of meaning, and it was a special request from a dear friend of mine. A few weeks back, I was talking to my friend Sonia, who I've known all the way back since my college days, and I won't say how long ago that was, but trust me, we've known each other for a long time. And I was wondering what I should film next, and she said, hey, did you think that maybe you should do a cocktail for the month of August that's green? And I was like, why green? She's like, well, green is the color of peridot, which is the birthstone for August. And I was like, that's an interesting idea, and I don't think I've ever done a green cocktail. And then she made a special request. She said, my sister's birthday is August 27th. It would be cool if you could make a cocktail in honor of her birthday. Now, why this is so special is because her sister Angelica passed away when she was a teenager in a car accident. And this cocktail is to commemorate Angelica. I got to meet Angelica, and my memories of her is that she was just the happiest person. She had the best smile and the best spirit. I have so many fond memories of us dancing in our dorm room when she would come to visit us in college, and she was just a bright, special spirit. So I was very honored when Sonia asked me to make this cocktail for her sister's birthday and for all the August birthdays, but this one's a special one. Now, looking for a green cocktail proved to be very challenging, and it took a lot longer than I thought. I did not want to do a Midori sour. I don't roll like that anymore, nor did I want a bad cliche apple martini. I'm sorry if you love apple martinis, but that is very 2000 and late for me, and I have moved on. So to get out of this coilingly sweet, like Midori's and apple pucker cocktails, I had to stretch my cocktail wings and do some research. And I almost didn't have one. I was really struggling. And then I found this recipe, and it was perfect. And it's perfect for so many reasons for this video tonight. It meets a lot of criteria. 1, it's green. 2, it's perfect for summer because August is still a summer month and it's hot, and this is great on a hot summer day. And 3, it's spicy. And Angelica and Sonia are both native New Mexicans, and we love our spicy food in New Mexico. We are known for chili, and chili season is right now. They're harvesting the fresh green chili, and if you're ever in New Mexico in the fall, take a deep breath in and you'll smell a roasted green chili, and it's the best fragrance in the world. So this cocktail is green, it's spicy, and it's perfect for summer. So it met all the criteria. And if you're wondering, what's this amazing cocktail, Kim? It is a spicy matcha margarita. Wait, I forgot one more thing. Not only is it green, spicy, and perfect for summer, it's got green tea in it, so it's healthy, packed with antioxidants, matcha and green tea. So you're fighting cancer, you're getting your free radicals taken care of, so it's like win-win on all levels. So less talking, more drinking. Let's get started. So what we have here is an empty cocktail shaker, and I'm going to put in 2 slices of jalapeno. Now, I like it spicier, so I'm going to put in 3. If you don't like it spicier, put in 1. And if you're like medium spice, put in the 2. Just adjust the jalapeno slices to your spice preference. But I'm going to put in 3 because I like it spicy. So we're going to do 3 jalapeno slices in the shaker. Then we're going to put in 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. And you know what I say, fresh is best. So don't skimp, squeeze a couple of limes, you'll be glad you did. So we've got 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice in there. Now, I am going to muddle the lime juice and the jalapenos. And that's going to release the oils and the jalapenos with the seeds and give us that spiciness so you can really taste the kick. And you want to make sure to really get in there, take out your aggressions. 2020's been a year, so if you've got some anger, just, okay. So I've done that, And I can smell the jalapeno. And it smells really good. And it might make me sneeze. It's spicy, people. So I've got that. So oh, and it's even like muddled into the muddler. So good sign. So we've done that. Now we're going to take ice, put it in the cocktail shaker, and we're going to add our other ingredients. I have unsweetened green tea. Key here is unsweetened because we are going to sweeten the cocktail with a honey syrup later. So we're going to do 3 ounces. Also, this may not be a bedtime cocktail because with all this green tea and the matcha coming in, you're going to have a good caffeine kick. So this might be great for like a barbecue in the afternoon when you want to stay up but you still kind of want to party. But yeah, I definitely wouldn't use this as a nightcap unless you're just wanting to be wired. And then we're going to do 2 ounces of Sliver Tequila. Ooh, love that sound. 2 ounces. Got 2 ounces. Okay. And we are going to do 1 teaspoon of honey syrup. Now, honey syrup is like simple syrup. So you make simple syrup equal parts sugar to water. And this is equal parts honey to water. You heat it up so the honey dissolves, and then there you go. So we're going to do 1 teaspoon of honey syrup. Super easy to make. I make this in the microwave. I just put a couple of tablespoons of honey, a couple of tablespoons of water. Whoa! Less than 1 minute. And we've got the syrup. And then last, we're going to do the matcha powder. And I got these cool little packets. You can get them at Trader Joe's. They come already like in a little thing. So they're individually served. So it's just a 1/4 teaspoon, so you don't need much. And like I said, if you're like caffeine sensitive, you know, be careful. But there we got that beautiful green matcha, which is really going to intensify our green color. So now we got everything in, and now it's time to shake, shake, shake. Oh, you can see the green. And hey, if you want to be low-key, you can put this in something and tell people you're having a green juice. They won't know the difference. Do you? So, we got our beautiful foamy drink. We're going to pour it. Let me move this over here. We're going to pour it over ice. And look how great that is. It looks really healthy. Like, I'm not kidding. You could low-key pass this off as green juice and nobody would suspect anything. But it's got tequila, lime, and it's a margarita. We're also going to garnish it with some jalapeno slices. I forgot what these were for a second. Just because you want people to know what's in here and it tells you it's spicy. And we have one special touch. Now, the recipe didn't call for this, but I'm doing this in honor of Angelica because she always wore glitter and glitter makeup. So I have a little edible glitter that I am going to sprinkle in the drink just to give it a touch for Angelica. So we're going to sprinkle a little glitter, give it a little sparkle, and hey, doesn't glitter make everything better? It's just happy and cheerful, just like she was. And I think that she would love this. We've got a little sparkly, glittery, spicy matcha margarita. It's a mouthful, but we're going to give it a taste and see what we think. It's really good. It's super refreshing. It's not too sweet. You could add more honey syrup if you wanted to, but it's clean, and the green tea just gives it a freshness and a nice little herbaceous feel that's really good. And this will be perfect on a hot summer day. And for all you people celebrating August birthdays, happy birthday. And cheers to Angelica, everybody. Cheers.